Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. I've got a new construction home in the beautiful gated community of Sanctuary Beach. Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome to this amazing new construction home right here in Sanctuary Beach. Look at how much space you've got in this beautiful chef's kitchen. Your gas range, huge island. It's perfect. You've got it opening up right here to your dining space, and look at this. Amazing. This builder has taken an old-fashioned piano and turned it into an actual bar station that is mounted to the wall. What a beautiful piece for your entertaining pleasure. And don't forget, there is a water closet downstairs. And again, no detail left missed and unturned. It is beautiful. Now we've walked into the main bedroom. It's right here on the first floor. Look at the details. You've got the wall that's been trimmed out. Beautiful vintage chandelier right here. And of course, we can't forget to talk about these doors leading into the main bath. They are historical, 100 years old, from Louisiana. And the details just keep going. You've got these beautiful fixtures that all coordinate. Gorgeous tub, gotta love it. And a nice full walk-in shower. The closet's amazingly large. This is everything you need in the lap of luxury right here on the beach. Hey there, come on up, you gotta check it out. See, welcome upstairs. I love it up here. There are 3 more bedrooms. One is a full ensuite, and the other 2 bedrooms have a huge, beautiful Jack and Jill bathroom. But let's stop and talk about that bathroom real quick. It has my favorite, you guessed it, shiplap in the shower. I just love the little points of detail and interest that make this house so beautiful. And come on, you've got to see this laundry room. It speaks for itself. Enough said. Dream laundry right here. So for more information, look in the listing description below. I've got the listing link there for you to look at all the fine details and more pictures. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any other deals like this one.